I hate the airport, bro. Oh, it feels just as bad as a hospital. Right?
I like these black ones. They're nice.
Hey, yo, cuz, come on with the mask. Thanks, babe.
Bitch.
Oh, yeah. Smells like what?
Cigarettes.
Cigarettes?
Bye, TV.
Who? What'd you call me?
Beam.
I call you
Beam.
TV.
It's Beam.
Bye, TV.
It's one slow Conchita now.
Bye,
Sorry.
Chivete.
What's up, guys? It's time for a new video. As y'all seen, I just dropped off Lil C and my sister at the airport. They're flying out to Atlanta to visit some of their family. Well, some of his family. But anyways, for this video, I got a little surprise for Chris. It was his birthday week. And his car needs an exhaust. So Saturday, just tomorrow, I will be taking his car to XPX, Extreme Performance Exhaust. My boy Gustavo is gonna hook us up with a nice MagnaFlow. I think MagnaFlow or a Borla, I'm not sure. His car is loud out of control. It's way too loud. He's got ghetto ass straight pipes. His mom hates it. She's been telling him to change it, but he's, oh shit, he's been slacking. He hasn't done it. So what better gift than to give him an exhaust system on his car? So I'll be doing that, and then I'll probably get it detailed or whatever, and have a little photo shoot so that whenever he comes back from Atlanta, his car sounds a lot better now. But anyways, thank you guys for the support I've been getting. I'm close to 800 subscribers now. At 1,000 subscribers, I will be announcing my giveaway. I can't tell y'all, I can't give y'all hints of what it is, but it is gonna be nice, really nice. So the website will be going up sometime next week. My boy Srt8 is working on it, and then also we're working on new designs for merch. And as soon as I announce the giveaway, I'll announce the rules on how to enter and shit like that as well. But I think it's time. I wanted to, you know, risk it for the biscuit, see how it goes. You know, scared money makes no money, so let's get at it. Let's see how this goes. And anyways, like I said, thank you guys for all the support I've been getting. Yesterday, with this past video, I got 1,100 views. It doesn't seem like a whole lot, but to me it does. You know, it's thank you to the few followers that I have, the subscribers. You know, it means a lot to me. We're slowly but surely gaining and getting up there. Soon, hopefully we're big enough to where a lot of people know me. And you know, I just want to be, I don't want to be famous, I just want to be known. You know, I love the truck community. I've been at it ever since 2014 when I got my single cab. You know, I didn't have the funds back then to fix it up how I wanted, and now, I mean, slowly I'm getting it to where I want it. You know, it's boosted now, giving me a shitload of headaches and shit, but it'll get there. It'll get there. It'll be a nice build soon. But anyways, like I said, thank you guys, and just stay tuned for the rest of the video. guys, it is currently the next day. I picked up Chris's car earlier today. Right now we're going hold on, give me 1 second. Oh yeah, my bad. So we're on our way to XPX. Hopefully they have the exhaust that we had already talked about. Hopefully he still has it. We're gonna, I think it already has true duals, but they're straight pipes, and as you heard, they're loud, they're annoying. You can't even hear his cam chop. It's just extremely loud. So Gustavo recommended a true X pipe MagnaFlow, I believe. So we're gonna try that one out, and he said he also has some other mufflers that we could try on, see which one sounds the best. So we're on our way there right now, and just stay tuned for the rest of the video. No me roban la cámara, la chingada. It sounds pretty good. It's a lot quieter now. I just hope he likes it. But I mean, it sounds good, nice and deep. It's quiet at idle, which is what he wanted. Quiet, a little bit quiet at idle, and then and it's pretty loud whenever you actually floor it. So let's hope whenever Chris comes back to Houston, I think Tuesday, hopefully the video is up already, but when he's still in Atlanta, he gets to watch it while he's over there. And then I might get a reaction video, see if he likes it, and if he doesn't like it, then oh well, you know, sorry buddy, you're stuck with it. Now you're gonna have to go get it taken off. But when I like it, it sounds really nice, really clean, nothing tacuache like Chris. I mean, Chris is a little tacuache even though he drives a car. he says you need a truck to be a tacuache, but no, you can be a tacuache in a car too. So let's just see how he reacts to it whenever he comes back, and we'll go from there, guys. I just dropped off the car at Chris's house. His mom was outside and she heard it. She's like, "Oh, thank you, finally. That shit isn't loud anymore." I wish I would have recorded that part, but you know, she says that he'll like it. He has been wanting an exhaust on it for a while now, and he's always been saying, sponsor my exhaust. So, but I mean, I've been waiting for, you know, a birthday present. So, like I said, we're just waiting for him to land back in Houston. He's still in Atlanta on vacation. Right now, I'm gonna go pick up Habibi. We're gonna go get some brunch. I haven't ate. It's 2 o'clock. We haven't ate, so I'm gonna drop off the SD card with him. We're gonna go eat, and then hopefully the video will be up by Sunday night, so that Chris could see it while he's still in Atlanta, and then so he can hear it in person whenever he's back over here. But that'll be it for this video, guys. Saludos a todos, you know, the ones that have been supporting me. Thank you. You know, cop your merch. Like I said, I am working on a website. I think maybe me and Cesar will work on it right now. We'll work on the website. Hopefully have it up by the end of the month, before Thanksgiving, and with new merch, new shirts, some lanyards, keychains, stickers. And like I said, 1,000 subscribers. Hurry up! I'm ready to announce the giveaway. I haven't showed anybody. There's like two or three people, including Chris, that know about it. Not even my girl knows about the giveaway. So I'm really excited. It's gonna be a fun giveaway. And like I said, 1,000 subscribers. Hurry up! As soon as we get 1,000 subscribers, I'll release pictures and a video of the giveaway. So please like, share, comment, subscribe, turn on the bell notification, and thank you all once again. I'm out. Cesar always acting like a little kid. Cesar! Cesar! Hey! Cesar! Ah!
Por hoy voy a aportar, porque estamos listos para fumar. En mi troca me paso de la fumando por solita la ciudad. Directamente de la ciudad.
Traigo el pinche foco, un hombre en las nalgas, güey. Ah, pinche lindo, ¿cómo te gusta jugar, verdad, güey?
Raindrop, drop top, smoking, no cooking, the hot box. Fucking on your bitch, yeah, that. Cooking up dope in the crock pot. We came from nothing to something, nigga. I don't try nobody.